Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe on your TV. First, let's get your Nintendo Switch connected. Take the HDMI cable and plug one end into the back of your Switch dock and the other end into an available HDMI port on your television. Next, connect the AC adapter to the dock and then to a power outlet. Finally, carefully slide your Nintendo Switch console into the dock until it clicks into place. This ensures a stable connection for your gaming session. Now that your Switch is connected, let's get your controllers ready. You can either detach the two Joy-Con controllers from the sides of your Switch console or grab your Nintendo Switch Pro controller. To pair them, press the small sync button on the top or back of the controller. The player indicator lights will flash and then stay solid when connected. You can connect up to 8 controllers for multiplayer fun. With your controllers paired, it's time to launch the game. Turn on your television and use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input where your Switch is connected. You should see the Nintendo Switch home screen. Use your controller to navigate to the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe game icon. Once highlighted, press the button to launch the game and prepare for some exciting races. Welcome to the track. Here are a few quick tips to get you started. Use the left analog stick to steer your kart and hold down the button to accelerate. To gain a speed boost around corners, press and hold ZL or ZR to drift. Don't forget to collect those colorful item boxes. They give you powerful items like red shells or mushrooms to help you win. Have fun racing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.